And you guys, I'm broke. Okay, I'm broken and broke. I just want to cry. Oh God. Oh Jesus. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. In today's video I'm going to be completing my paycheck budget for the last paycheck that I got in the month of September. I am a paycheck to paycheck budgeter. I also use the cash method, which is like, you know, stuffing my cash envelope, sinking funds, all that good stuff. So if that is something that you are here for, make sure that you keep on watching. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and flip over to the paycheck budget. Just to kind of remind you guys, I've already completed my monthly calendar. If you didn't catch that video, I really encourage that you check that video out. Not now, but make sure you check it out after you watch this so that you know basically how we set up for the month of October. I was paid 3 times in September, but that last paycheck is going to pay for the first half of my October bills, or the first half of the month of my October bills. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to put what I have in my checking account that takes care of all of my bills and expenses. And as I am doing that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I really encourage that you do subscribe, hit the like button, and then also make sure that you leave me a comment down below. Are you a paycheck budgeter? Do you like to budget by paycheck? Do you do the zero-based budgeting, or do you budget for the whole entire month? All right, so I am going to just play a little bit of music, because honestly, when I'm trying to talk and write, I can't do 2 things at once. So I am going to be not talking during this part, and then I'll come back and explain everything in detail.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it, put some work into it, cause you know that I'm...
Alright, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and go over the October paycheck budget, and let me tell you, I feel like I'm choking. That is a true feeling, and if you guys have ever felt like you are choking, then we feel the same. So let's go ahead and go over the numbers. So first, here you put the amount of your income. I just have my bills account here because this is where my bills are going to come out of this account, bills and expenses. So you put the income total here. First, let me stop here and just let you guys know that I am using the Budget Mom's Paycheck budget by paycheck book. A lot of people ask when I don't say that, so I am using her budget book. I heard this year that she is not going to be releasing a hard copy, that it will only be digital. So if you're looking to purchase, head on over to her channel. Okay, so now we're going to the bills section. The way that I separate my bills and expenses is everything that is a bill goes here, and anything else that is considered an expense will be taken out in cash, and I put that in my envelope section and my sinking fund section. Okay, so for my bills, I have tithes, that's already been taken care of. Mortgage, as explained before, I do not share that, and my mortgage goes to a totally different account where I don't even have to think about it, and it's already paid. So if that's something that you're not doing, I definitely suggest that you do it. It just makes your life 100% easier, and you really don't even have to think about it or worry about it. Then I have my HOA, which I'm not sure why I didn't put this in red, because my HOA is tardy for the party. Okay, so let me put HOA here, and let me put this in red because this is a past due bill that we're catching up on. So I actually have my sticky note that I didn't take from my last I wanted to show you guys that, but I'm probably not going to show you on this. I'll probably show you on the next one. I'll give you an update of where we are with the HOA. I'll give you that update on the next paycheck budget, okay? Solar, this is another bill that's past due. It's a total of $188, so I'll be paying $100 of that. And internet and cable, this bill, it's $140, but if you have been here, and if you weren't, I paid half of it the last paycheck, so that this paycheck I wouldn't have to pay the full amount. So I'll be paying $70 to fully pay that. And then trash, this bill is tardy for the party as well. It was a total of 100, and then I just got billed for this next quarter coming up, so it's total to, I'll put the number up here on the screen. So right now I'm just gonna pay $50. Hopefully I can pay it off by the end of the month, and that one will be done. I did have other bills that was due, because if you were here on the last video, I don't want you to be like, you didn't put the other bills down. So basically what happened was I'm late doing my budget, and so some of these bills have already come out. So my cellular bill has already come out, and then the ADT bill has already come out as well. So that's why you're not gonna see that here, because it's already been taken out of that balance. So I didn't really need to write it here, okay? So the bill total for all of these bills here is $500. So what's left over is $912.59. So then we skip on down the road and we get to our expenses. So we have groceries, that's $250, household $50, toiletries $50, and then gasoline, I'm predicting $200. For some reason I looked at my account and it said that I only spent $93 for gas the last pay period, and I don't think that's true because I fill up like twice a week. So I'm just gonna budget for $200, and if it's less, I'm gonna do a better job at tracking my gasoline runs. So total here in this area is $550, and the leftovers $362.59. You guys, I'm broke. Okay, I'm broken and broke. I just want to cry. Oh God. Oh Jesus. Okay. So now we are at sinking funds area. Now I thought about just not even contributing to my sinking funds. I'm not even gonna lie, because looking at $362.59, I'm like, because some of these things I'll explain each one as we go down, and which may help you, you know, when you're making the decision to either, you know, contribute or not. Not aware, the purpose for sinking funds is to plan for future purchases and plan for future expenses, rather, or bills, what have you. So to me, I'm just gonna be doing myself a disservice if I do not contribute to some of these categories here, and we'll talk about the categories as we go down the list. Okay, so medical, I really didn't need to contribute to medical because of the amount that I have in there. But you know, you never know, if I have to go to the hospital maybe 2 times, you know, these co-pays is like $40 something, so that would already eat it up. So I just figure if I just at least contribute a little bit, then it will always grow. So we have $5 that I'm going to contribute there. Car registration, it's gonna be due September next year, so there's no way around that. So I might as well save $15 each paycheck now, instead of doing what I did this year, having to put an additional, you know, y'all already know the drama we dealt with car registration. So I'm just gonna go ahead and contribute to that. Now, hair, I want to get my hair done. You know, it's gonna help me feel better about my $362. So I'm gonna get my hair done. It's a form of self-care for me, and I think that that's important. I don't want to look like I got $362 in my account, so I want to look like I got 3,062. I'm a mess. Anyway, auto care, it is time for me to get my car serviced, and so that's why I'm going to continue to contribute to that, so I'll have enough to pay once I finally take my car in. Costco, I will continue to save for this because my Costco renewal is due in March of next year, so that's only in a couple of months. And I do want to continue my membership, getting gas, and then you know, I've noticed and I forgot about getting toilet paper and washing detergent and like bulk items there for a cheaper price. I totally forgot about that. I was going to Target, and I love you, Target, I really do. We have a relationship, but you know, I would get a box of detergent, and the detergent was like over $20, and I would go to Costco and it's pretty much the same price for a bigger box of detergent, and for like all the laundry items, like the little beads and everything that you put in. So I was like, okay, so I forgot all about that, toilet paper, all that. So I'll definitely be keeping my Costco membership. And then AAA, you know, you need AAA, and this is for me and my daughter, and that membership comes up in March as well. And then holidays, I'm definitely going to contribute to this because I do want a Christmas tree, and I want to celebrate the holidays. It's another form of self-care for me. It's something that makes me happy. Car wash, my car is so dirty, you guys, it's ridiculous. Like, so I'm gonna be taking it through the drive-through soon, and then I'm gonna like wash it and everything myself. Look at my nails, you guys. This is already making me feel horrible. So I have broke 2 nails, and I couldn't type effectively today at work, so I had to just take them all off. And with my little $219, because that's what's going to be left after we take out our sinking funds, I have to go without getting my nails done. So I'm really sad about that. But this is a part of making wise decisions and sacrificing. You guys know that I love my nails, but it's okay. I'm gonna get them done soon. Anyway, home maintenance. So car wash, I need to get my car wash. Home maintenance is $20. You know, it's just something that you should continue to contribute to as far as home maintenance. For anything that gets broken or anything that I need fixed around the house and I need to pay for it, I'll have the money to get whatever it is that I need. Support and cleaners, it's going to be $5 each. I really do love supporting people as much as I can, so I thought that this envelope was important to continue to contribute to. And then cleaners, I do have a bag of clothes that needs to go to the cleaners, which is going to make me feel better about not shopping. As you guys know, clothes is not on here because I figure I have enough clothes to shop my own closet at this moment. So if I can put all my clothes in the cleaners, and that will give me more of a selection, so that you know, I'm sure when I look at my bag, I'm like, oh my god, I forgot about this, I forgot about that, and that's usually what happens. So I definitely want to continue to contribute to that to help me with shopping. And that's it. So if you calculate all of this, is $143. The last time that we did our sinking funds, it was $138. So look at us, we increased by, what was that, $5? Yes. We moving on up. And then left over $219.59. We're not putting anything extra to debt. And I guess you can say I'm saving $219.59. That's basically going to be the rollover for next paycheck. And then I'm definitely going to try to look up some surveys. If you guys know anything about surveys where you can make money from, if you can leave it down in the comments, that'd be great. I'm going to be researching. I know people do those surveys and they make some pretty, you know, couple $100, but that's couple $100 can pay for these past due bills and we can be done with it. So I'm going to be researching that. I've never done it before, but I hear it pays, so why not? And then when you come down here to total income, this is just to make sure that this number is correct. So you take the income there and then you add bill total for number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and then you put that here and then you subtract, and you should get the same number that you have here and here. Okay, so that is pretty much everything. This is my paycheck budget for the month of well, not for the month, my paycheck budget for the last paycheck that I got in September. I'm telling you guys, it's tight. Ooh, this is right here is tight. Okay, but we're gonna push, we're gonna make it through, and I promise you this leftover, this rollover amount will get better. But this is the pains of starting over in your budget and starting from scratch, like from beginning. This is what you're gonna feel. And so this is the reason why some people do not keep going, because this is like, this is not, it makes me feel good because I know where my money is going and I'm doing the right thing, but it doesn't make me feel good that it kind of stresses me out a little bit. I'm just being honest. So people will opt to not have the feelings that we feel right now and just forgo money management because it's going to be hard in the beginning. You're going to have some hard truths that you have to deal with and that you have to face and that you have to catch up, and these numbers don't make you feel good. So you just say, oh, I'll just, I'm not going to look. So you think because you don't look, the problem is going to go away, or you think because you don't address it that it's just going to fix itself, and it's not. It's just going to get worse and it's going to stay the same. So feel these feelings and these emotions so that you can move forward. And that's all I have to say about that. But I will see you guys in the next video where I will be cash stuffing $143. I just laugh because I can't wait till this is over. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and for the giveaway, I will be announcing that giveaway on the next video as well. So make sure that you do stay tuned for that. I'm not going to tell you which video, because that whoever entered, those are for the right people who got a chance to enter, and you know why. So that's all I'm going to say there. But I will see you guys in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up.